Hello to all children and parents alike. Welcome back to the Learning Treehouse and to the channel's first video of the new year. Now before we get started with hiragana and katakana, yes, we are doing hiragana and katakana, finally, I thought I would show you how to make your own handprint shape. For whether this is your child's first time and they're just learning how to draw. Oh, sorry, for not whether this is their first time, when this is their first time. So, yeah, I will show you how your child can make their own handprint shape when this is their first time doing it. So, the first thing you need to do is grab a piece of paper and a marker, pen, or pencil. Now, I'm going to use a felt tip pen. Then, place your child's hand on the piece of paper. Now, I've placed my left hand on this because I'm right-handed, as you can see. But if your child is left-handed, you can place the child's right hand on the piece of paper. Okay? And then, once you have it in the place you wanted, just draw around it. Be careful not to get any marker on your fingers as well. I know I might. Then lift the child's hand and ta-da! Your own handprint. And you know what you can do with handprint? You can design and make it your very own. I'm going to do that right now. You can draw whatever you like, but I'm going to draw some shapes in rainbow colors. So a red circle, an orange square for this finger, a yellow triangle for this middle finger. There we go. A rectangle. And the same for this finger. There we go. Did you think that this was going to be another square? Phew. Now I'm going to draw a blue heart. Normally hearts are red, but this is going to be a bit of a cheat. There we go. And finally, a purple star. Now I'm going to show you a really cool thing that I can do. Watch closely. I can draw a star free-handed. I'm going to draw one here too. See? A free-handed star. Now I'm going to write my name on it to show that this is my handprint. You could do the same if you want to. Et voila! That is how you make a handprint. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully your handprints will get better the more you practice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the hiragana and katakana lessons that are coming up all throughout 2026 and possibly 2027 from the Learning Treehouse. Thanks for watching and stay educated. Bye for now.